Baking, cooking has always been a passion of mine for sure, but something like farming is beyond, I think, my wildest dreams to have a strawberry patch of my own. So it's not something I ever thought was possible. I think for every baker and every chef, it's the ultimate dream to grow your own produce. The difference that fresh, organic and or naturally grown produce and sort of commercially grown produce is immense. Sprayed with toxic chemicals which are not only bad for you in terms of your health and for your body, but also really bad for the environment. Just nourishment and just nutritional value, there is such a difference between the two. That's where our sort of inspiration comes from. Where we grow our own produce and then we bake with it, and it's just the texture, the flavor is so different. Like a flaky tart with vanilla custard and just strawberries. So it's a really simple dessert, but yeah, simple is oftentimes the most delicious. We have a farm manager here who kind of takes care of all the growth of the produce, be it the fruits, the vegetables, the herbs. So it goes from updates to sort of checking on all the produce, run through of all the infrastructure, checking on the poultry, farm equipment, future agendas. I can't be present here, and so can the farm manager. So he comes in 2-3 days in a week. So really it's in the hands of the people, the team who lives here and takes care and does this work on a daily basis. So their commitment and their hard work is how we are able to do what we do. And then as farming happened, I was just it made complete sense to have a farm and a bakehouse. In January this year, we want to start with strawberry picking. So call people over and have them experience the space and walk around, pluck strawberries, pluck produce. And then maybe in 2-3 years, this is something I've always wanted to do, farm to fork meals. Curated small menus, small group of people. As things become more modern and technically advanced and automated, there will always be a need for nourishment. There will always be a need for nutrition and good health and good food and nature. And so, yeah, farming is indeed the future.